Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? Welcome back to educational channel PK with some new words which are spoken wrong by many of us. So let's start without wasting any time. The first word is this. It's narrative. Narrative. It's not narrative. If you look at the pronunciation, there are three syllables over there. Narrative. So we are not supposed to pronounce it as narrative. It's a narrative. Narrative. Fine. So when you look at the second word, that is narrate, over here it is a sound. It is a sound. Narrative. This is a sound. Narrate. Fine. So it is narrative and narrate. Narrative, narrate. Okay, now come towards the second word. A very common word. It's almond. It's not almond. L sound is there, but L sound is not pronounced over there. We have to pronounce it as almond. Now next word is kernel. But if you look at the spellings, there is not k sound, there is not k letter, and L is also there, but we are not supposed to pronounce it as L sound. It will be changed into sound, like bird, flirt, heart. So it is kernel, not colonel. It's not colonel, it's kernel. In this word there are 5 letters, but we have to pronounce the sound of only one letter, that is Q. Rest of the 4 letters are silent. It is Q. Q means a line of people. Next word is education. It's education. This sound is pronounced as J. Whenever you see these 2 letters combined in any dictionary, you have to pronounce J sound over there. Education, not education. D sound will not be pronounced. D is there, but we have to pronounce the sound of J. Education. Okay, now next word is this one. I don't know why some people feel difficulty while pronouncing this word, but actually it's a very simple word, a very simple pronunciation it has, and there are 2 different pronunciations, British and American. So the first one is mustache and the second one is mustache. Mustache or mustache, both pronunciations are correct for this word. The only difference is a and a sound. In the first one it is mustache, whereas in the second one it is mustache. Okay, this word is used in our day-to-day life very often, but unfortunately it is pronounced wrong. Every one of us know that it has 2 pronunciations, British and American, but unfortunately both pronunciations are pronounced wrong. Okay, so this word is pronounced as schedule in British. Schedule, not schedule. We omit y sound normally, which is wrong. We have to pronounce y sound. In phonetics or in dictionary language, this sound signifies y sound. It stands for y sound. Whenever you see this sound in phonetics or in dictionary pronunciation, you have to pronounce y sound. So it is schedule, not schedule. Y sound is there. Okay, so this word is schedule, not schedule. It's schedule. J sound we have to pronounce over here in this word, but normally we pronounce it as schedule. Y sound we pronounce, which is wrong. Over there we have to pronounce y sound. Schedule, schedule, not schedule, not schedule. Okay, y sound will be pronounced over there, whereas over here we have to pronounce j sound. These two letters, these two phonetic letters, they are telling us we have to pronounce j sound. Schedule, 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 not schedule. Okay, a very simple word, but normally we don't pronounce it in proper accent. Go, it's go. If you look at these two sounds, it's a diphthong. Diphthong means double vowel sound we have to pronounce over here. Fine, but normally we pronounce only one o sound, go, so, no. So we have to pronounce two vowel sounds because diphthong is there. So it's not go, it's go. O के बाद after O we have to pronounce a very short U sound. A very short U sound we have to pronounce go, no, so, so. A very short sound of U will come at the end of these words. Go, so, no. Not no, go, so. No, so, go. Go, U. A very short U sound will come at the end. Go. I hope you enjoyed today's session. If you enjoyed, don't forget to comment below. See you in the next session. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.